Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we would be looking at YEARN.finance or YFI, currently ranked at 154 with a market cap of about $204 million. We have a 24-hour volume for about $33 million. Very okay for YEARN.finance, and we are seeing some very interesting price action right here on the chart for YEARN.finance or YFI, which we would be taking a look into. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Right, so we are on the chart right here for YEARN.finance or YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the 4-hourly time frame, and Binance is the data source. And one of the things we have been seeing for Y.finance, right, we have seen a break and a retest of this 200 EMA, seeing our push to the downside. We have drawn all our key levels. As you can see, prices has been respecting our key levels, and for some reason the price of YFI has gotten rejected 3 times at this $7,300 level. We were ranging, saw the break, we reclaimed it, but currently we have seen the break of that level right down to the downside and are currently at 6,000. But this level has been a very huge level right here for YFI. Even though we don't have a key level right here, I am of the fact that we could come back to reclaim this $6,298 support, and I'll tell you why. If we look at some of our indicators right here, as you can see, we are very oversold at the moment. Very oversold, as you can see right here. And so we are having some hidden bullish divergence, probably because of the weekend. We are not seeing much buy volume, but I believe when we get to Monday, right, next market open, we could see a very huge push to the upside right here for YFI to reclaim that level. And we are seeing expanding rings, which means something is brewing, and we could see a huge push right here for YFI over the next few days. Also, if we look at our Z-score just basically tells us, right, when prices are bullish or where prices are bearish. As you can see, we have seen every single time 3 as indications that we are having some sort of bottom, and we are about to see a push to the upside. As you can see, every time we got this Z-score, we saw a push to the upside, right? As you can see, C-score, we saw that push, right, even though we saw that sideways action. And currently, right, we are about to see that push. If we are able to push above these moving averages right here on the Z-score indicator, then we could see that huge push to the upside right here for YFI, right? But YFI could reclaim, as we are very close to that overbought levels, and we could see more buying price action coming right here for YFI. So basically, that's the analysis for YFI for today. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.